Busia for me mama akwaba shonko eba too much GH munia ban na ama obusia eni na dano the latest trend issue a trend there will be adding and no atuma walk bino eno enamde esomo ewe yefidi kese eso eni to jebre ebusia for some time now, news are making wave. Our headlines that is the trending on social media pages, especially Twitter. A Nigerian big boy di and Eddie Hush Papi. A BM to not down for nam artist. Woman Kapa, Nidin Eddie Woodbury at the day. FBI, any a BM Suno, Interpol for Alcutesa, Oma Bodom, Pimakon and Chair, Ewo Dubai, baby, I would say, Ewo Eddie Woman's Akoson, Esa and fraud beer. One to say, one no any nada for the woman who are quoted so mu and no shade as a fraud no echo a son. Nebuza for Sika, a fraud ni Sika to say America for any bread to say, one must man almost FBI ni Interpol Dubai got his brand no a Sika a sum $100 million. No woman tell mu $35 million anka. Yedima a year abroad for Native Americans. A black coronavirus iba ya to say come for relief from a year Juma woman call a woman did woman aya with stream into woman function mu yenu say asika ni bi na ye abrantie Hush Papi any APM so na down for power ben Woodbury woman ye kana na ahake emailer yes any sika ni tru no woman do woman ka so my account ahyemu ama sika na abepio ewo mo na sorry no HS the ma America for any eba mo say sa abrantie no and what this man say for some time now no America for that and woman investigations about Nigeria for and especially African countries are one year into scamming as they say one more fat nyansa kwan so any kweti kwan so area abrofuno from omusika one more ewo na one more di omani age egofo echi at one year egofo tutu at say one more edi sika kese to nyama kese at say one more adwuma mo ye crampo no mo nheda enim adwuma potia one more year edi nya sika no na nunti na ma America for the woman ego share ye abrantie Hush Papi any ebiem so na down for Woodbury no one motion action no mu say e brass realize sika no sika sombo $35 million aira efi account no American states be kedema Native Americans so dey coronavirus relief no one mo so mu say abrante no sika ni ra epe anche eno no akasa koto car the latest version of Camry eno koto na 20 $500,000 sorry $500,000 and okoto saka na biem so wato a dine e wo Dubai wa e sombo more than $1 million na no enema enkofo ne eniba mo so say e be abrante we ya ene na danfo no ene wo mu dis adwuma nti ma America for esuma ye enkofo a bro so be 60 personnel made of Interpol for any FBI for so momo nkochi abrante ni fi Dubai ho a wote a wo flaunting designer wears any de keka ho no mo fa no emra Washington America krom no mutim metoto na no emi san no fare by the ya wonya sika edeko 2021 version of Rolls Royce that say yen che dan releasing po emba gogo said wonya sika edeko to nti o ma be fa no so nkotu na no na no e na akoso so much uproar over social media so ama Nigeria for any area te womo te say womo this ad deactivating omo Instagram platforms no omo deactivating omo so eno na ama womo deactivate womo Instagram platforms no womo deactivate ebi so follow no just because of the air code disaster na be ya link womo to Hush Papi and na down for Woodbury womo fraud that womo ye na they say the Ghana ha so ne din no ajibe bia ye social media space no so ama celebrities what ha say no so do woman no atmisa brand no respecting the power where they are living life or no anaka na private jet they bia da any atale o she ni so designer him say anobo dempa we na ama Ghana ni one of the very strong journalists that wa ha so kasa ekopa and di delay one also edin na no atumbi nebusa for what show on Instagram page say na mebeken kan bi ede amamu or say I am guessing this is one of the fake stories we hear of every day, but if it's true then too bad. My brothers and sisters, don't let the internet rush you. Life is not a competition. Life is working for you in your own time zone. You are not too late or too early. I read this piece years ago. New York is 3 hours ahead of California, but that doesn't make California slow. Someone graduated at the age of 22, but waited 5 years before securing a good job. Someone became a CEO at 25 years and died at 50 years, while another became a CEO at 50 years and lived to 90 years. Someone is still single while someone else got married. Obama retired at 55 years and Trump started at 70 years. People around you might seem to be ahead of you, and some might seem to be behind you, but everything is running their own race, and in their own time. Life is about waiting for the right moment to act. You are very much on time. Relax and be happy. To wait there, acquire say a footso and a wade Emma a mebu any to say a maba wa more Ghana has say. See, I won't to a say a babon because hash papi. And I go for a Brenna Ed woman at home because no more penny flashy lifestyle. The about the flaunter, it's because away one of the bosses of flaunting goodies. Over everyday car all riding the new whips out to be said, ya grokra and a grobrapo and wobble a year to buy one will be to me renting a year hotel. For years, no team to say, and ya agrokra or Jin nipa with this car kesenti. Now, question and maybe no can and go for now, do not a jealousy, a bit amy at him. Now, Brandon and Mukrapo, you be son say, Juma Beno, ya, or sorry, or so, yeah, brand ambassador. Brand ambassador crowd was sika esse brand or advertising. To me say, none sika peno, a young pa, to me say, Nanko for Juma. One more enter into where they delay, a fat acquire for frost, a day 2 months for say. And no one need embrobi. Ewiase we will be a tuna namom, will be only baby a walk up, who read baby or be a do now gas and munti, also as a sow who one gas out, quire walk up, now got chair for baby. Ober who not quite a man who gets the amount. Half a pea will be a who so I brand or to say, I have a monocrown, so that any see be a queen with CM crown for ye. Now so, or any CK I would ne lifestyle will leave out to me say, Sikane dear, whom may be a titty, but would this kind of pa, over who no be so after home quite the same who time no so a yama answer for that, and no crack a home pop and I to say, and maybe over my moon polo. One page, my dear, will be a sorry, I'll see, oh, says can me pet. Any you make a count when the veteran has papi added and say, oh, me, Madame Crap, or more to me, a woman don't pay me a drop and woman music aqua, or to me ending say, and also because I want so areas coming on so discussing about making it fresh because has papi no discount with a scan on in deep power, did he man yesterday. Also, I will come here with my 2 duty car only said, a 7 year service, and yes, the next day, Juma Bay and one hair crown out here, so and to also back home or the INT. Now, I'm out, do not at yourself. Woman bed madimbium obia nani achre eye scamming ena me fa ha ena me fa no crampo na sisi ade e hona be kere pokra eye clean up exercise for ye my because na asofo no ye the pressure to obu say by force by fire ye sika because go for diska sika na hash papi dey flaunting and senator sabri enum so amanko for air feel pressure no ti na delay ehun ni say akwa away akonya kesa wodi ebetimi etu imebu no for say mum to won bo ase wobia ne bre e wa babemu wobia e sha ase a e obebia yakopon e de fa ekodu bebia wo de na ekọ enu tie ma obi e de awanya e ma obi hu empepre no te say empente enko pesika ebi atika no won hekra hu ni bebia onya fe na to di nachi nu akọ du ti akọ she bebi na afida ye ensempite futo e na ye delay e de ema ye amanfo na ye enkomo no ekọ so no ye hu other reactions ye Nigeria for so e de abetu ja efa ye hash papi ya se ade ye arrest na ibusa for ye kwa some of the reactions are up online or Twitter so where if in the ex-girlfriend or Nankasa money ex-girlfriend or no one no was say needing the Amira dime was say imagine telling someone they are not good enough to come and sit with you. The rich people, because of how they are dressed when they bought their own clothes with their own money, while you literally stole the money that you used to buy outfits with from the poor people. Karma is a bitch. Hope you like orange. So to me say where the or the backfire or no ankasa boyfriend pa say who so na wo sere nkofo twetwe nkofo say wo mu atare o mo hye na enye fenti wo mu akonya po e ma wo be wo atare no ko mo hye no kwampo wo mu ankasa no mo bu wo mu kom ye adwuma e de to mo ankasa watale wo mu hye so so mo ma wo embe wo na ze sia dey awo wi obi sika awdadi hu ya to hu nyama enye sika no ze sia ya chiwi then na okoye afaunti kama wo e bitch ba wo ye ko enim kra e be sansa na chi abe how adwin Aproko daughter so Edia Wade about saying, I am happy that Hash Papi has been caught. A lot of young people wanted his level of questionable wealth. At least now they know there are consequences. Did you think his money was legit? If you do, I have one cream to sell to you that enlarges your penis with one single rub. Ebusafo. Ebre bia eye ebre edman kofo. We so etchese ditira wode aba etchese nani age se. The see ade hash papi no yetimi ache no. Ebema emebu bebere no wo masua nyansa ede film se. Sika wo we so bi nya sika no wo di sika. Hwe be bia onya sika no free ansa na wo wani akoto no se wo your role model na wo pekwan se na ono so aye. Obia ne de obebia onya ne sika efinti de no. So hunu se legita na esewara mu. Eno no edotu aso ewo ehonom. Emma so edia wode aba say if Interpol carry Hush Papi go America, just forget he won't be coming out in this century. Multiple wire fraud conviction no be 2 years so na centuries. Ono so woni say Interpol any FBI and no fa Hush Papi efi Dubai e dia kwa America dia and obi an remfi no. Omo peda sem ne fans amo don na so I love you omo forget the cry na America there baby I guess that go do no oho no me go kan 1 year 2 years asemu centuries America for sika no be dia kwakwa enye possible we so efi it mean amute ono so eja wode about say what brought Interpol attention to Hush Papi is most likely the new whip. For those of you who don't know, this is a 2021 Rolls-Royce Cullinan. Hey, it was a forecast di ewo ho wo say ono do hu ni say the man eye Hush Papi no a police for FBI for more America money eba no ho eye car oto fofofofo crowd car mo no cry ye anya ho advert here car no crowd ye car no crowd no nye scam fan police advert ma car ne do to be say can dem mo kire ho 2021 ema yempo ehun sa aka na okoto na buru America fo adwen ne enti ase so mo di echire ekochi ono Hush Papi ewo kura abakote so ewo Dubai honum no ebusafo ahanam di comment no ebesi wonso wo hwe de na wo dwen efa ye delay efutu a wo de awetu dwa efa ye Nigerian big boy fraudster obia enim no Hush Papi as say ade ya chuno de echo America and Interpol and FBI for America for edim akota wo mo che no fi Dubai ko hodum the wojin bia fatu dwa e wo tuma GH comment section e ma refi say obetimi a share video with em obi bia na ebiem so no follow tuma GH our Instagram at @tumagh_ bididi ama obusua makramu.
Yo, too much GH nie Ghana for ahwefo etiefo onipa bi a won subscribe e wo too much GH no subscribe wo na ehintasem ensem a ebuafa on my Ghana so e na ye de bremu one god nie the only one god in GH eho na de bia mehwe abrechefo ene Ghana for mo wiasa fa na ina me recommend emamo too much GH